dad had his own accounting office before. And then, when he passed away in 1990, I took over my sister.
So, kayo po yung nag-take over,
Yeah.
hindi po yung sister niyo. So,
Initially, my sister and I, and then after a few years, we parted ways. And
before po, sino po yung mga family members na kasama niyo dito?
wala.
Kayo
Just
lang?
my dad. Ako, ano lang, extra.
Nagka-interest dito sa business.
Actually, I'm not interested in accounting. My course is AB Eco. And then my dad has been prodding me to take up accounting. So, after I graduated, after 10 years, I took up accounting. Konti-konti lang after office. So, I was a working student.
So,
Natapos ko siguro in 10 years. Another 10 years.
talaga dito.
So, konti-konti lang yung isang subject sa UST. From Makati kasi I was working in Makati eh. So, Makati, Manila.
Yes.
Actually,
Aside from, expansion.
it's not really my bread and butter. Pero, to give employment to my staff, also for the education of the children. Me, I've always wanted to go into journalism or fine art, not figures.
Pero tita, ito full-time niyo to. Full-time kayo dito.
After 5 years, I'll be retiring. I'll be of retirement age in 5 years.
Ayun.
Hopefully, Joseph Clinton Jr.
So, magkakaroon po ng transition sa
Hopefully,
ownership.
keep my fingers crossed.
Mga clients.
Yeah, deadlines to meet, BIR examinations, CPR examinations. Yun.
Pero dito yung mga clients din clients issues. Wala naman po. So, nung before po yung sa father niyo pa, nagkaroon po ba nung parang na-retain yung mga clients niyo?
Yeah. Some.
Like,
Some went to my other staff, my chief accountant, kasi siya yung close dun sa survive naman kami. I don't advertise it. We just go by referrals. They were just referred by clients. Not much family conflict. And walang mga intriga-intriga. And all in my income.
isip niyo susunod sa inyo?
He
Kuya.
looks more interested rather than the other one. The other one, he is busier with the girlfriend. There are several accounting offices. Some are owned by single proprietorship, some are corporations, some are partnerships. Some of my staff who have been with me have their own accounting offices. All businesses should have an accounting system. All businesses should have an accounting system.
So, kayo po parang outsourcing.
You have to report to the BIR, you have to pay taxes. So, you need an accountant.
So, tita, nung tinake over nyo yung business, ano po yung mga growth ng itong mismong business?
When
May growth po
when
ba?
we left, when my sister and I parted ways, my clients left were 15. From the 40 something, 15 yung natira sa akin. Some went to my sister, the others went to my other staff.
So, 15 nila order. Ngayon po,
Ngayon,
less than 60.
may nawawala din.
Dito, ano yung mga strengths and weaknesses ng business niyo? Or just like today, parang, or the strengths and weaknesses?
My staff are all knowledgeable. I don't have to teach them. They know what the deadlines are, they know what to do. They do bookkeeping if they are, even if they are not accounting graduates. It's a trainer sila.
How about weaknesses dito?
Yes. Sometimes, yung mga demands ng client, may gusto agad na financial statement, ganyan. May deadline, yun yung mga hinahabol namin mga deadline.
How about dito, mga threats and opportunities? First opportunities.
There's a lot kasi makita mo sa yung makita mo sa newspaper, ang dami na ng mga bookkeeper, mga accounting graduates. That could be a chance for us to come in. We can offer our services on a part-time basis. Stress? Wala naman siguro stress.
So, tita, paano nyo po, parang ano yung difference sa ibang, like, accounting services? Meron ba? O wala?
Differences? Meron kami kasi ka-encounter na ng mga fly-by-night na accountant There was an instance where a client of mine had an accountant and my client kept paying and paying by checks ng 60, 50,000, mga VAT, kasi pala hindi nire-remit sa BIR. Natuloy yun. Kami naka-discover ng mga fake na resibo, fake na BIR returns, o nagka-demandahan pa. Kami parang nag-a-attend sa hearing. Actually, ako nga naka-attend lang namin.
Pero dito hindi naman po yun.
Dito, mas mga fake yun.
How about tita, ano yung mga current strategies niyo to make the business parang grow and
we make it a point na we are able to pay before the deadline, give what the clients want, na-register agad sa mga SSS, PhilHealth,